Welcome to the video where we reveal the most astonishing AI tools of 2023 that can revolutionize the way we live. These tools can help you start your own business, increase productivity, and even have some fun along the way. But before we dive into the list, hit that like button to show some appreciation for the hours of research, editing, and filming that went into this video. Now, let's talk about the first AI tool that caught our attention, Merlin. This easy-to-install tool can effortlessly summarize content on any website, master complex Excel or Google Sheet formulas, and even write professional email replies. Think of it as your own personal assistant that can help you save time and boost efficiency. Want to learn how to use Merlin? Follow these simple steps. First, go to their website and add the tool to your Chrome account. Then, pin the tool to your pinned extensions and change the hotkey shortcut to something more convenient. Now, you're ready to highlight any text and ask Merlin to summarize, write an email reply, or perform any other task. Merlin is just the beginning of our list of astonishing AI tools that can change the way we work and live. So, stay tuned to discover more, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. Get ready to discover 3 amazing AI tools that will make your life easier and more productive. Are you tired of reading long documents filled with jargon? Do you struggle with creating content for your blog or social media? Are you looking for a tool that can summarize text for you quickly and easily? Look no further. In this article, we will introduce you to 3 game-changing AI tools that will help you tackle these challenges and more. The first tool we'll discuss is called Merlin. Merlin is an extension that you can add to your browser, and it is like having your own personal assistant right at your fingertips. With Merlin, you can quickly summarize any text by highlighting it and hitting the hotkey Ctrl-Shift-X. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to type in, "Write me a summary." Within seconds, Merlin will provide you with a complete summary of the text, making it easy for you to understand what the text is about. Merlin is a great tool for anyone who needs to quickly summarize information on a regular basis, whether for work or personal use. With Merlin, you won't have to waste time reading through lengthy articles or documents. Instead, you can get the key points in just a few seconds. The second tool we'll discuss is called Legal Ease Decoder. Have you ever tried to read a terms of service or privacy policy and found it difficult to understand? If so, Legal Ease Decoder is the tool for you. This AI-powered tool can turn complicated legal documents into plain English that is easy to understand. Simply copy and paste the text into the Legal Ease Decoder website, and the tool will provide you with a plain English translation. Legal Ease Decoder is free to use, and it can help you understand any legal document, whether it's a terms of service agreement or a contract. With Legal Ease Decoder, you can be confident that you understand what you are agreeing to before you sign on the dotted line. Finally, we have Runway, an AI-powered content creation suite that can help you create amazing content for your blog, social media, or website. With over 30 content creation tools, Runway is the ultimate tool for anyone who wants to create engaging, high-quality content quickly and easily. Runway's AI-powered tools can help you generate ideas for blog posts, create stunning graphics and videos, and even write articles for you. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, Runway is the perfect tool to take your content to the next level. Plus, with a free trial available, you can try Runway out for yourself and see just how powerful it is. In conclusion, these 3 AI tools are must-haves for anyone who wants to be more productive and efficient in their day-to-day lives. Whether you need to quickly summarize text, understand legal documents, or create amazing content, these tools have got you covered. Try them out for yourself and see how they can transform the way you work and live. Are you tired of struggling to create captivating content for your social media platforms? Do you wish you had the tools to make your content stand out from the crowd? Look no further than the incredible suite of content creation tools available on Runway. One tool in particular, called InPainting, is truly a game changer. InPainting allows you to completely remove any subject from a video and replace the background with ease. Even better, the software works frame by frame, creating a seamless and professional-looking finished product in just seconds. And while the software is still in beta, it has already shown impressive results with minimal errors. To showcase the power of InPainting, let's say you have a video of a beautiful cityscape, but there's a pesky trash can in the foreground that you'd like to remove. Simply drag the video onto the timeline, click and drag to outline the trash can, and InPainting will generate a brand new video without the offending object. It's truly that easy. But that's not all. Runway offers a wealth of other tools, including Era and Replace, which allows you to swap out one image for another, and Backdrop Remix, which lets you add a completely different backdrop to any scene. Another impressive tool on Runway is the ability to generate 3D textures with just a few clicks. By simply typing in a texture name, such as Pebbles, the software will generate a custom 3D texture that you can manipulate in a variety of ways, including changing lighting and tiling. This is perfect for creating unique backgrounds and textures for your content. And if you're starting a business and struggling to come up with a logo and branding, AI tool number 4, Luca, has got you covered. This AI-powered platform takes you through a series of questions about your industry and preferences, and generates a stunning logo and brand identity in seconds. No more fussing over design elements or spending a fortune on a graphic designer. But that's just scratching the surface of what Runway has to offer. With over 30 tools to choose from, including portrait and animal generators and text-to-image tools, the possibilities for your content are truly endless. Whether you're a social media influencer, content creator, or business owner, Runway has something for you. So why not give it a try and see what you can create? With Runway's powerful suite of tools at your fingertips, the only limit is your own creativity. Looking for an effortless way to create a brand for your business? Look no further than Luca. This AI tool can generate an entire branding guide in just a matter of minutes. Start by selecting some logos that you like from the many options available. Then pick a color scheme that suits your brand. You can also add your company name and a slogan, as well as selecting some symbol types that are relevant to your business. Once you've made your selections, Luca will generate a range of logos and branding materials for you to choose from. You can customize the designs to your liking and even create marketing materials such as business cards. With Luca, you can create a professional brand in just a few clicks. But branding isn't the only thing that AI can help you with. If you're looking to learn something new, Tutor AI can help. This AI tool lets you create and take interactive courses on any topic you want. Whether you're looking to brush up on a particular skill or learn about a niche subject, Tutor AI can help. Simply sign up and search for the topic you want to learn about. The tool will generate course modules for you to choose from, allowing you to learn at your own pace. And if you can't find a course on the topic you're interested in, you can create your own. With Tutor AI, the possibilities are endless. So why wait? Whether you're looking to create a brand or learn something new, AI tools like Luca and Tutor AI can help. With their ease of use and endless possibilities, these tools are sure to become staples in your business and personal life. So what are you waiting for? Give them a try today. Discover a whole new world of AI-generated images and copywriting with Copy AI and Blue Willow. With these powerful tools, you can create stunning images and copy with ease. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or just looking for inspiration, the Blue Willow tool allows you to generate AI images by typing in prompts and customizing your requests. With just a few clicks, you can create a giant iPhone in the desert or any other image you can imagine. You can also generate multiple versions of each image and even upscale them for higher quality. Whether you need an image for your blog, website, or marketing materials, Blue Willow has you covered. But that's not all. Copy AI takes AI-generated content to the next level. With this powerful tool, you can generate high-quality copy for all your marketing needs. From Facebook ads to product descriptions, Copy AI has a range of tools to help you create compelling content that converts. Plus, with the ability to organize your projects into folders, you can keep all your copy in one place and stay on top of your marketing game. So why waste time struggling to come up with ideas when you can harness the power of AI? Try Blue Willow and Copy AI today and see how they can transform your content creation process.